Hi, in this video, I want to show you how you can quickly create anchor links for your blog post or actually for any page on your website. And so anchor links are very useful if you're trying to create maybe a one-page website or just like one page that you would like to be scrolling through. It could be useful for the blog post if you're creating maybe a table of content, if you have a very long blog, and especially when people read it on a mobile device, it's actually useful if you create those links so they can just skim through the part that they're not interested in reading. So when you log into the back end of your website, just go to Pages. And for this one, I'm going to creating anchor tag for the blog post. So select the blog post that you like, click Edit. So I'm going to add a bunch of content just to demonstrate it better. And no, this is not enough. Yes, I'm just going to add this lot of text. And this is going to be our subheading, maybe heading 2. And let's create another heading here, just so it looks more readable. And so basically, I'm going to be scrolling, like when a person would like to click here, it's going to scroll all the way down to this subheading over here. Okay, and then just click Save. So what we need to do next is next to the subheading or any text that you would like to be scrolled to, you would want to add a code block. And inside this code block, we want to add the simple line of code. And basically the link name, it doesn't really matter what you name it as long as you remember it, because now when we're going to go back to that click here text, you would have to input that name. So for this purpose, I'm just going to name it as a link. And now we will scroll back up, select the part of the text. So it could be like 2 words, it could be a whole sentence. It doesn't matter. Just the same way you would do links to other pages. And here you would press a hashtag and that word that you just inputted as a link below. And click Apply. Press Save. And now if you click here, it scrolls down here. I hope this was useful. Thank you.